Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem in any Redmi phone. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and open it. Now scroll down and find battery option. Just click on it. Now click on current mode. Here you can see current mode. Just click on it. And then here you can see battery saver. Just click on it. After this setting, your battery will be not drain early. Now click on additional features. Now you can see clear cache when device is locked. Just click on this option and here you select in 10 minutes. After this setting, your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.